As we studied earlier, business organizations are surrounded with a number of factors that influence their working on daily basis or maybe in a long period. Thus, it is important for these organizations to be in touch with environment so that the impact of environment does not fall adverse for the business. In this video, we will study that why is it important for business organizations to understand the environment in which they are working. Following are the points that highlight the importance of business environment. Identifying opportunities and getting the first mover advantage, identifying threats and early warning signals, tapping the useful resources, coping with the rapid changes, assist in planning and policy making, improvement of performance. Now let us examine each of them in detail. Identifying opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Opportunities are the favorable or positive conditions present in the business environment that can boost the performance of a running business or give an idea to start a new enterprise. First mover advantage implies converting the opportunity in favor of a business before anyone else. Have you wondered why so many companies from across the globe are investing in Geo platform? Well, you must already be aware of the fact that Geo has become the market leader in telecommunication services within a time span of 3 years. According to the reports of March 2020, it has a customer base of around 400 million users. Moreover, due to the increasing demand of online shopping, it has entered the e-commerce market with its JioMart. If you look deep into the case, you will observe that all this have been possible due to the increasing awareness of internet facilities in our country, which has been promoted too vigorously since past few years due to the Digital India campaign of the government. Few years back, Reliance sensed the opportunity that since India is moving towards digitalization, there is an increasing demand of affordable internet services, cheap call rates, and mobile phones. And then there was no turning back. In the country like India, where a large number of population is middle class or poor, Jio has made it possible for millions of people to buy a phone and avail cheap telecom services. The idea behind this story is just to make you aware of the fact that there are so many opportunities that are present in the business environment. A business must be continuously aware of the circumstances in the environment so that a suitable opportunity can be grabbed and a first mover advantage can be taken. Similarly, Maruti Udyog became the market leader in small cars by sensing in advance the need of middle class families in India. The market of khadi clothes has been increasing since few years as the government is trying to promote khadi as the cloth of the elite class. The Vocal for Local campaign is yet another opportunity that can be seen for the local Indian brands to increase their market share. Identifying threats and early warning signals. Every coin has two sides. Similarly, if there are positive conditions present in the environment, there are negative situations too. Threats are the unfavorable situations in the business environment that may hinder the growth of the business organizations. It means these are the situations in business environment that can have a bad impact on the functioning of business. A few years back, toothpaste for us meant to be just Colgate. But what happened recently? The introduction of Dant Kanti, an Ayurvedic toothpaste by Patanjali, was a threat for many toothpaste companies which could lower their sales. But Colgate responded to this threat by launching Colgate Ved Shakti and aggressive advertisement of its product. Similarly, due to the coming of Walmart in India, the increasing demand on the online platforms, and also due to the social distancing norms, it is a threat for the local shopkeepers to maintain their identity in the competitive market. So, as a response to this situation, many of them started home delivery services and started to collaborate with e-commerce sites. Tapping the useful resources. Every business organization requires some resources like raw materials, money, machines, human resource, etc. from its surroundings. These resources can be availed from different sources like the natural environment, which can provide raw materials like wood, food grains, milk, etc. Financial resources can be taken from investors, banks, etc. Electricity and water resources can be taken from the government authorities. But everyone expects something in return. If I am working hard to make you understand a particular subject, then it is obvious to expect a response from your side too. Similarly, the society, government, investors, etc., who has provided the various resources to the business organization, expects genuine goods and services, tax payment, profits on their investment, good working conditions, salaries, etc. in return. So, we see that this is a give and take relationship among the business and its environment. इसलिए अगर किसी बिजनेस को लॉन्ग टाइम तक चलना है तो उसे ये ध्यान रखना होगा कि इन्वायरमेंट उससे क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है और वो इन्वायरमेंट को क्या दे रहा है. अगर इन्वायरमेंट की एक्सपेक्टेशंस फुलफ़िल नहीं होंगी तो बिज़नेस को जो रिसोर्सेज मिल रहे हैं इन्वायरमेंट से वो मिलने मुश्किल हो जाएंगे. कोपिंग विद रैपिड चेंजेस. बिफोर 1990s, the environment of business was not as turbulent as we see today. The customer was not that aware, there wasn't much competition among the sellers, and even the technology was not that updated. But after the LPG policy of 1991, the environment has become very dynamic and the changes are taking place at a fast pace in the environment. The customers have become more demanding. They want best of everything at the lowest possible price. The brand loyalty have reduced. Any negative news about the product and they will shift towards a different brand. As we saw in the case of Maggi, the customers immediately moved to other brands as a substitute of Maggi. There is a cutthroat competition among the market players. In most of the consumer durable products, FMCG products, and in many service industries like banking, insurance, we see an increasing trend of competition with technological advancements. There is a wide choice before the customer, and the policy of survival of the fittest seems to be true. Due to all such reasons, the managers need to be aware of the environment so that they can accommodate the changes in their business as well. Example, if the industry does not treat the waste before letting it go in the environment, the government may impose heavy fines on it. Similarly, if a company is making unethical products, it will attract the opposition of public and it may have to shut down its operations soon. So, a business must have knowledge about its environment so that it can continue to use the resources of society. Assist in planning and policy making. We have already learned that business environment offers both opportunities and threats which need to be tackled intelligently by business managers. The importance of business environment lies in the fact that with the thorough analysis of environment, managers can frame suitable policies and action plans for their business to face the competition in the market. Example, we can observe that as soon as one mobile company launches an additional feature in their phone, all other companies update that feature because new customers always wish to purchase the updated products. Improvement of performance. Now we have come to the concluding point which justifies all the other importance of business environment. The question here is, if we are keeping ourselves updated with the business environment, does it really help in improving the performance of business? Obviously, the answer is positive. Without proper knowledge of business environment, no business can survive in the market. We have already seen so many examples like Maruti, Reliance, Amazon to prove that how managers cope with the changing environment and take their business growth to different levels. Thus, with the support of all such points, we can prove that knowledge of business environment is quite necessary for every business organization.